manchu ya siasa buna naika watebinga nigo turabe tugusanga imambi yabo no mogeni oito mogeni oito Sirita Nyaura Ongaga Benada Osea senjera basa omaete nga real commissioner oyole omoliki omonene bwekyombekeria ya Kisii Council Kisii County Youth Council irabo tukwanira amange anomono igorali kiao wetera sumtandaito Facebook andizitv.net ase imambi yabona nambete SMS 07921928 Mike Yobogete
Wabogi
ase faida naende nkiombe kieke otenenerete
ambuya mana sayibaga job and I'm humbled to be again mchama tangoro ku Bernard Nyaura koseri is to as the CEO of the Youth Council changing the livelihood of the youth. Yeah.
Kiolego kunga millennial.
Not Gen Z, but I'm millennial. But you might have know Gen Z and millennial, they're just one group.
Enigo muwa ine miake mekeiga.
Miake osimiti nyemete.
Kolini ndo chenga millennial na baro baveri bagwesona ni as
demonstration you've been seeing, the peaceful demonstrations, they are being headed by Gen Z. Ube tokeza mono but for the right.
Ago ikirapono tokoranga nigo okubwatika no kurobekana kwa bero kwa mense cyo Kenya amonchireri amange abere gakolekana umuswada olia o finance bill no bago koyeliwa maiga yokoyeliwa nse tokaranga boygo nigo umuraywense Dr. William Ruto abagako anchi ba commissioner abc ba IEBC seigo igitile tamento betokonyora wa commissioner ba IEBC na boygo akabaga kubuna kamati area yaba waziri nkira ukonera ananomono wikira bono iga ebitambo kirebyo umuraywense Dr. William Ruto abera wikirani kubatkana no kurobekana kwa ino.
Thank you. Ruto gala gotiananga finance bill go wikete babo zoro kwa roje bali batanga ino babegeta bana babo what connection babeta maaki kwa gende formality so igaikere point you say tired those demonstrations bakaenda baka kitchen I want you to imagine nga umusaye werusiti moya so baka bunge oenda baka chikoni abaskali no vale the police the IG unariza ineti ango igulirwa mashtaka yeah, he should face crimes against humanity and murder because he instructed police to kill our youth. Wana basaya want handout zenmu eto tagete abasaya na barubu bae what chance in leadership so that we can handle our future. We have a future to handle. We have in this economy, you cannot marry when you don't have an income, you don't have a business, you can't provide for your family. So we wanted a country for all people, whereby there's equity. Kilo montonye resources na kiworoja basaye strongly. Ba betringa William Ruto, you have to drop the finance bill, not even amending. You can drop. Agakana, you could remember the first press call to State House. But you cannot kill 1 million people. Unkocha ko ita ba renge bakke na ande ba right ira bakke. But we want to go to State House. So the youth wamekombea nchi yetu. Baagere Ruto drop the finance bill. Baagere Ruto said the cabinet ya yons pia basa listen to the voice of the youth. Honest aba kusiba minto irimo support ya basa sana na mbo bakire mbono because for over 60 years aba saya banyari kokora again to getana kokoreka across the country. That's why we feel Matian should be back. Lakini kototevinga machogoira digu that is psychophancy. Politics of primitivity elio soro bata itakwa kwa machogu bamu ibere besa kete mate machogu baro sichi besa kare bare bata itinga tigato kwa nega machogu to besa kete yo como police president. This is what we are saying. President William Ruto should not consider to reappoint any minister back to government. Ekoroko nyora 2005 when Kibaki lost the referendum whereby the ministers were against the boss, Kibaki fired the whole cabinet. There is nobody who came back to the cabinet. Akalige banto very competent, who later assisted him to run the country. So bintu mune bintu taiti kuigwa. Na ande ba ko insist demonstrations will go on. In fact, Gen Z, we will vet abantu bali ruta goja ku forward go jibunge. Now ndi atali ko te bintu biringa nga ruto tomira abantu bunge. Ngabana baiti ngabatakete. We will go through the list with the track record yomuntu okoba forward rune CS. Kwenye kwa the corruption cases, uko na maneno mingi, ujaenda shule tunatoa jina. Toko te ruto riete rinto litaketi. Kako libetereli, we go to demonstrate anamuntu yakumunye kukurwa bisi. So it is not going to be business as usual. We are changing the dynamics of the country. Abantu tutagoja go forward must be clean, competent and ready to work for the people. And abantu babanje ngabo forward, those are the people we want. Yes.
Ire uyakigemo umura wense Dr. William Ruto nabatebanga tali go chigwanchira na wose na abagago kania abantu busaba kuli mirimo beserekali abawaziri nabo igaba bunge wose balia barase biruga binene beserekali kokora osoko gusira kwabo asensemelia yeme changa tebanga tali ngana arabe ga chigwanchira na igati amangana abaga kwane kinga ngokorale obukurumi mense icho ya Kenya kolende likulikoro ekeralenge county area ya Nyandarua ase kanisa ya mona betega tebanga nigo naro chinga abara ibe kanisa elimba beteba kurebire robate banga tutai totokonywe asogokora kwagacha we kanisa ko numero bonse Dr. William tukaba ko yunga tebanga nchente bichibe serenga muganiti kanisa yebe gukorwa meginko ba check tima tinga nkira ukwana regoro yenkwana yumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto asa ukwana enseme yemo enseme ende otebanga erenabe ka kurugusira se kanisa.
That's why we are saying hashtag Ruto must go. Because it's a double-edged man. It's a two-sided man. We don't want fundraising in church by politicians. Talinga abasai bakani tumuchango. These politicians ebago hijack the church functions. And the church services was gukora siasa kanisa hili. And we are saying onye kanisa geko beko muchango. Kanisa tige erangeli muchango in a structured way amatukata die kanisa. We should do away with mangana fund drives lead go na Saturday go Sunday or another day of worship. Umuchango koru in a way omwana siasa onye gagoja eraru besa ya bujagenda. Tali kwa kasiasa kanisa hili. So, but for now, we don't want to see any kind of politicking in church. Na ande chikanisa chito. Why digato very realistic? You know, we've been having fund drives all the time, every time. Kanisa chito nchana kokora, michango, kila lituko. You know, we are appealing to our churches. This is where we get spiritual growth. Tigana barabu babeke their priorities right. Bago changeru chibesa chigo kokora construction and bana kokora mitebi now. Eto tagetekere kanisa erete budget ya bagana ki onye construction ito da debesa chinga na hiyo. Omo chango kor once and for all. Chibesa chikede for development so that we don't have this because some churches now by the preaching of the word of God as business. So that's why we banned mechango. Now we are Ruto biasere biache to kora abuso Nyandarua. We are Ruto ma daba kaje ba murigere. Kenyans are watching you. Onye reka ataite chikura 2027 chiro chichitayo. And I want to tell the people of Kisii today. 2027 IPC telege kutangaza muntu ulio tairi tikura. Hakuna siku. Youth will be at Bomas. Tutakuwa Bomas hapo. Kama ni kuzingira hiyo nyumba tutazingira. Omuntu okoba declared as president is the person who won. That nonsense, if a president or the commander in chief or anybody with influence akwenda in Ogora, those commissioners, the chair, economy interpreted Kaidi, it will not happen. Mutuga election will be free and fair. No one must declare. So for William Ruto, whether you like it or not. The sympathy I could hear Abu Nyandarua Sachi then and buy a check. That's hearsay. Let him call his cross. He has to do the right thing. akole buna tuto agency tagete arusi abantu bari tuto tageti and even the parastatals you saw the list abasigizi book naba ikoyo those parastatals were demanding we have 42 tribes at least every tribe etu omonto nyino mogusiyo mo ikoyo nini kire tribe etenenere parastatal in Kenya telling us some 2 tribes na chichitenenere we don't want it Gen Z we're just putting things right once and for all once and for all so that ntoku there will be change for the future generations.
Notenga Kirandi Dennis aka Omosoli bwege sukurwa na Kuru Salams Club ikakachuba saitoni kondani igatia bange bande tukwa tumuroberi bwensa kya ase imambi yabono mwanchu muri TV na kota binga na wakando tubwatia wetera ase umtandao oito Facebook and Ndizi TV News Digital sense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News umtandao ito www.ndizitv.net ase imambi yabono rabi ukurwe kerengeli kiao kubwate kananga neke ninganta ndo kwanera ase imambi yabono ndo chinga Victor Omondo miyenda watebanga watching live from Nakuru West kupamoja ditamati na Rose Michieno ndo chinga Ben Andrew watching live from Nairobi Hesbon Gesicho watebanga watching live from Gary Township imea top 6 Alarms Club Kenya niko ndani kama kawaida Andrew Matunda na Nyamira town niko ndani imea top 6 Salams Club Kenya aigatia bange banda tukubatu muroberi wensakia ase mambi yabono mwanchumurele Ndizi TV sangana into kerengele kiao anemono igoro yekirenga tubwate mambi yabono astone tukumulekera siasa na magendro siasa stadi chindonge konyoranga magendro tego chikuikira na abune wenete yunilo moja. Good morning to my dad Joseph Torori akiwa pale St. Andrews Kawa and my beautiful daughter Stacy Bosibori and Angel Gloria wakwe na wiki njema. Kuna tatakolanga umuraibense Dr. William Ruto na watakoralinga kuchakire wiki yeye mobe nabega otwara chinkwana na babwatani au ime yense ichwa Kenya chinkwana chiabwe na teo chakari tukolerero na kwera lituko lia juma mosi ntamanyenga ekegolieke keino inu moitabene chinkwana echibose maiga yumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto koire bitambekere byonsi inki kitarabaga wakigwikira bono turachakira chinkwana cyo chumwabe mugochi itaberna.
We don't want any talks. We don't want any kind of talks. That is why Kerokwaro je Raila Lidibagenda go past the NADCO report and implementing it in putting the IBC to office. We told him, now you are now dining the Luther, William Ruto, we don't want talks. Our reduce for minimum, William Ruto taketa. You know what Ruto wants to do in these talks? He got to go sanitize himself. He got to his purports to hold talks of national unity. From day one. Taliban. He got to collect abantu bali. Konyorba ko mopinga abanga ina ngai bono manyete nkonye nini tateko koraiga is sanitize. We don't not want that. William Ruto atagere ko manyanga entuge tutagetaru abisi. Gen Z is very clear na millennials. We wanted Dr. Fred Matiang'i to be president. Telling you to atigire. So William Ruto can do anything he can do. He can run up and down. The bottom line is he must leave. If you see those bodies Chikopa retrieved from Kwale and those sites, it is very disturbing. Abasikali, babutorete chibandera, you know, they soaked the mouths of the young people they killed. It is so bad. So William Ruto, we are not interested in his talks. No, he has to do what we demanded. Actually, near mess in government. Aru siaba kora wons piano kita basani bai. To ko chora bang to the krasi vele machara ngana buchi minister because they are friends. You have to choose competent. The moment a person swears, takes the oath of allegiance in the office of the president, you are the president of everybody, not friends. He had to do the mess. I don't want to name them, but you know what has been happening. We need to have a cabinet. We had a sham grouping of people purporting to be cabinet. So again, he will leave office. President. Otherwise, for now, it is illegal. The guy talks each other, is okay. Akili ni mess. Akili ni mess. Agago kora. Adisaini. Umuntu mungaja again. Ruto must go. That is the bottom line.
Ndochenga Chinderu from Gachuba. I'm watching you live. Gatia baranda tukuwa tumuru video. Bunsakia semambi yabono. Kulinde tukuligoro. Murebunse Dr. William Ruto na betega kotebanga. Nsabere gaki. Ekora na begingo chora. Ekamati ye yaba waziri. Imbegingo chora abantu barabarongi na boigo. Akatebanga abono. Na chikorosia cabinet irabege koleta aba Kenya bonsi ngana berego kwanwa nabamanyi bakisiasa nga akoragata tekorosia serikali ere coalition government koleta abantu bale assess ensemeli kwa mbele serikali na bwiga abantu bali bara assess serikali tima tinga ingira ukwanira ne mona satanga na koleta cabinet ko koleta aba Kenya bonsi amo na bwigo sa enseme asande kutebanga nsabere gaki esinge nchobone bintu byankongire ndo si cabinet rabendoge.
William Ruto is a liar, you know him. Unalilia tenga ni serikali ya mama mboga, serikali ya boda. Kwa koromo ndo boda ande angena William Ruto. It's just use and dump. So William Ruto is a liar, and whatever he's saying, Kenyans know he does not mean it. And I don't think that you've seen there is at least a confidential. I very shared. I've just received it now. Abantu nando studio propose naro de Kithure Kindiki, propose bune Attorney General, Monica Juma, Secretary of the Cabinet, Musalia Mudavadi Noale, so Ipan Tuya na anda very proposed, Abo Dr. Mercy Mwangangi Aden Duale, Alfred Mutua, Salim Mvurya. So this is the nonsense we didn't even want. I think I'll share with you. But no. We don't want anybody who's serving in cabinet or anywhere and have a proposed back. How many Kenyans do we have very competent? We have a lot of Kenyans. The serve in cabinet or in these positions. We cannot keep recycling leaders. No. Okomo ire job interview, kwambo job experience. Experience inga yakurusi, if you keep recycling leaders day in, day out. Ababuna babu tetu pagende kapi. Actually new, competent citizens of Kenya to replace these positions. If we cannot do it, I see a board interview, a panel go interview about. Let people apply for these positions. We have vetted, we have screened, but if we see again, if this list gonna go ahead, we will reject. Yes.
Mwanchu murele ndiziti ukolende buna botambe ni watoku manyinga amangana abagani baito kwana tali kerengere kyandise usumusmomo ondizi kolende nebirengerelio byabo astokuba obusibole baba gusanga 90 ekibalengere tinaboigo kurwa ebirengerele byao anelmono igoro yandate sesya igo tali kerengere kyandise TV bustadi gotinena kwandizi TV kolende nebirengerelio byabagani baito asi emambi yabono kwero konera amange anelmono igoro yega tebinto bono wikira bono tumanyango inki bono getigareta iga muganiti omuraigwense Dr. William Ruto agawikana obera wikira ni amangana alengete IEBC kolende kamati ne charo sigu obera kurusia muswada obere goko yeliwo obunire cabinet inki bono ande getigareta bono muri getia chiko kora sibirenga biribini.
He has to clean the parastatos munagote. Ki parastato heads watige kowa baikoyo na bakalenji. As we have 42 tribes or 45 or so. Ara choose kere tribe era tuara the CEO of every parastato. 45 jiko era pi. Kero chia era pi. Awona bora ngana ki musi tuale babere. Mondo eta tuale babere. Lakini at least kere kabira era tuaro mondo tenete parastato. That's number one. Number two. These parastatals are called regional and ethnic balancing. Ndo konyora nga kiare ebwata ba ikoyo almost 60%. Aba 60 or 40%. Yani you know these other tribes ne token. Achake go ensure that these parastatals nchibwate a good representation of all people in Kenya. You know, there is no parastatal belonging to some community. We want equity. So there are a lot of things there are a lot of things you need to clean. I'm out in the police service. All recruitments from now. We want equal distribution of these positions. Out of 2,000 people who are like, recruited as KDF, to 50. That's nonsense. We don't want it. Coach Mutua. Amabaga Yabaskali by Alinga, 5,000. Chitra 45. Divided by 45. At least, Kere tribe to Ramapaka. In these places. When we have this, corruption here, this kind of embezzling of funds because you cannot steal as a you know this corruption happens people accumulate in a certain parastat over care na abaiko boka baro abana na over majority oria ko ibaraisa ko gana kimaite into torega inunga njere ngibeiga ngoba rande kan lakini if you have care what the 42 tribes being represented. Some tribe cannot steal and get away from it. So Ruto has to clean these messes. Onye admission na nchi skuru, onye this came, whatever kind of sector. I ensure nga aba Kenya bonds people feel represented in those sectors. Kera kini dia mesi yepi, una na goteri. Nkuruaro tole tomoto mungao. Ege ntota ke komanya. Hashtag tobugate Ruto must go. Era bona bintevi ata ke go clean because he is contributed to the masses. Ara arusi bikori bya bege topi bi koruo amago step aside omuntu munga wache aran a clean country. Yeah.
All right, kwa kumulekera amangi kulende na ranga abasai bachakiri naende bono gosoa ase chiserikali chechi county county ya Vihiga ntata koranga bagosoa na boy kondo chinga county nyamira na bara bago kwani abantu ritkolia ankyo nge kumota kwa kiri no bokolera serikali chechi county no chinga mutaito kwani jigaba na bono.
There are a lot of messes in counties. I think now we are just developing. It's about the devolution. County chiro konyora buna bono Vihiga. The governor has not budgeted for university and colleges bursaries. Amount to kako and aleba harassed school tabu at Vesa Wakana, Tivese Chiro, Babagete Vinto, Vitabuati Sabab. You know, we want everybody to be accountable. Onyene of his governor was obvious in the Yonsi Umonta Kolakita Kiri. Tabana Fusi people which Vesa. So, what to account is what you pang. Wapange. They have to do the right thing. All Gen Z will make you do the right thing. We will force you to do the right thing. Yeah.
Yasinge nchonki out ya Kisii tokurwa. Account ya Kisii ngekitara baga kibuna basa.
Account ya Kisii, we've seen a tremendous change. Oroje Mugavana is giving out bursaries day in day out. And we want to recommend our governor Paul Simbarati. Governor o clean ibinto ongwaye bati. You know regime ongwaye na benge ya machuku. Ongwaye there are people who messed the county government. The governor in fact to ko yuje nisi gago kwana mangana governor. Governor the other day nkwaroje ikako genda matanga yomo jenisi itetu. He was there. Sisi nataka kuambia gavana wetu, keep doing the good work. We know there is a lot of war from people. Bakuru and Simbarati. Simbarati cleanly. Bono iga KTRH. If you are biarengo koruo vita renge bono they have been streamlined. Chibesa jarengo ba collected they are almost like 40 million. Bono iga there is an upward trend. Chibesa bono chekire 200 million chikuba collected. Bono Mario gona nyagitali. Bono governor Simbarati is doing a good job. However, I had some complaint in Ogembo. Ogembo no onkuru nyakitali Ogembo level 4. there are coming to be, there's no water. Maache taiyo, mariogo taiyo, pakanona marangeti, abantu bako ibisio. Tota ito ko tayo body ogembo. Level 4 hospital. The board, it is like you are failing. Nyinyi fanya kazi yenu mzuri. We are telling governor to look at the body ogembo. A body you are failing yabanto. In fact, people are embarrassed in ogembo. Before abantu batara akora manda bana ogembo, a body area called the right thing. Kosejen si taro, ebete living to Koruya. Otherwise, the rest of the county, Kisi is doing good. We are behind Governor Simbarati. He's one of the leaders, Gen Z and millennials, equally lie towards the change we want in our country.
Ere buya kigima sekolinde tonde kumulekera amange andate minse ito ya Kenya ndota koranga omubunge oyo mokorwa ase county ya Kisii tenguna rango sense mitandori tangani kibao tebanga ndochenga Ruthanya Buto tebanga ukweli kabisa broye ndiye amebakia kwenda nyumbani. Tutahakikisha kama Gen Z akwe ameenda. Hando chenga Hilda Nyanduaro tebanga niko ndani from Mangere alafu chenga Mangere nochebo igo oyorut nyabuta kurwa senseria ya Saudi Arabia aigatia bangana tukubatu muroberi wensa kya asemambia bano ndoto koronga mubunge onyalibali Masaba Daniel Manduku kako mubuli muraibense bona asenge ncha bunge basi nyurwe gasi bune bungeye tima etinga inkira ukwane raigo yabakoleri bwababunga banaende ekerengere kyabere kurwe wanga ababunga ba ebunge bege kubunwa baendeka.
I think those are the his own sentiments, Dr. Manduku, architect, a leader we respect so much. Bunge, bona gatara kuna bunge. Tiga bunge ra beka IBC in office. IBC buneko in office. Bunge na liye kubunu. IBC ja oversee elections. Anybody who voted yes for the finance bill, at whatever cost, is going home. Not even Ruto will save their skin. Bagaendeka, but resign, because people will take him, take them out of office. One of the gang one no bunko no go Alpha Miruka. Alpha Miruka no bungo machoka charge. He voted yes for the finance bill. Pakali dia bando tu amokandinga into tu akobege to bisi. Stop fighting yes for the finance bill. Akagenda ka obyumutu akakera yes. Abando baitwa umusana roge mbali oitu umanyete Mombasa igage turisasi umuntu obongo okagenda kampo. We having difficulty in planning the funeral. Kwanyoranga omubunga Alpha Miruka osoera ire Paradiso who is an incoming member of parliament of Machoka Church for the record. Osoera Paradiso nga Paradiso nere ko inside abantu nga Alifa na accurate yes na 2 million. The idea of 2 million was in media. No na ngwa accurate nga by 2 million. It was all over the social media. It was all over the place. Members of parliament admitted nga 2 million. Kwa nyanga Alpha in fact they are sorry to Paradiso. The other day we were in November this year. Paradiso akoba agree nga tuiwete nkoboli ro chumbe na kiwa tanga na Alpha na 2 million. That's pettiness. Alpha aimo kimo saraboy na babunge ba 11 people UDA. Muna ba agete yes. Chuma chao kimotoni and they going home. Oru Alpha aka yes. Ta na koreka na machoke. Igayo tuma banto na ande baba hekol badly. No what abantu baito ba machoke charge. Into machoke charge we fed up with Alpha Miruka. Na ande over fortunate ko 2 times. Wacha aenda nyumbani, let him resign. Una IBC kama constituted diga. We want to collect signatures so that we can recall him from office. Atigane omheshimiwa Paradiso. Paradiso is the sitting MCA budget in the ward. Paradiso has done a lot of development budget in it. Ekero aorokiri is quest to change our constituency. Everybody has a right to vie. These UDMPs watu adobo enenu wabe una chesuru ni montori kwe buku obimbetie because they want to ride on everybody. We are telling Alpha Paradiso ne adogo ko iraka. Aonye wagete yes. Beba msalaba wako waachana na Paradiso. Paradiso is busy making roads of Bochitendere. Kuna mwana yenda raja nera cross ya lia posta maege kuruka Makumba Bridge and other things is opening roads past ya kuru muisonde. Aba raibuna abuna bututakiti. Aba this MP is by UDA. You resign and if you don't resign, IBC ebuneko in place. We will force William Ruto to dissolve parliament so that we vote new MPs. Bao kolegas to tayo.
Mwanchumulio Ndizi TV buna naika otebinga nigo ebirengerelio abose engana elia abarai baukwana bose abageno wetha ukwana studio Ndizi TV no ebirengerelio byabotalia omusimamo Ndizi TV nigo tokoba obosibole bwabene kwe gutumanya na bwo gutwerera abuna ensegenrete aseigo ebyo nebirengelia ebyo mogeni oito asendo chenga Kenya bongo atebanga ukweli kabisa Jackson Mumanyi watching enchoke watching from Meru katiaba na kuwata sumurubiri wensa kimambia bono asikota bingana boto bwa tutera somtana ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News mtandao ito www.ndizitv.net namba ya SMS 0792192834 asinge nchondo chinga nubwate bose kwabiro kumurekera amange anemono igoro yebunge yawo na batoko batoko erigeria ase ubimanga kyorayo kwanera anemono amagendero are ase ebunge yawo bumachoge chache nakyorayo kwanera anemono igoro yobwagachi bwechipara nabo igo amangana ali aringete chidaraja
litangani tete I want to appreciate abasai ba machoge ba watchati this time chakire Eric Nyabongo, Mosai Koru Bochitendere Ward, Illa Nyanduaro, Mosai Koru Mangere, Enchoke, Mosai Koru Pasot Sengera, and Bamukabe, and other youths abangi. That got a bag. But Machoke, we have no development. Epara, Bono, Igal, Fakobeki, and the Eram is very thin, so thin. Epale you, yeah, we get to the place with the former MP, Simon Ogali. Ogali, again to Kiagarete, Akaiwe Pale, he defected from ODM to Jubilee in 2017. Epale, Uruba Kamateng, I will not go to ODM or Jubilee. Over go to Jubilee, Wakoire Pale, 75 kilometers. He was given the road. Kagera, Amanto, Omanyete, Machoga is as me. Machoga is ODM. No, the one that I look because me, or Machoga no DM. No, go ODM one they can make now. And the Bagotaki. Again, take Kagera, Alpha Gator in 2017. Alpha himself has not initiated any development in Machoga Church. Every bingo Galia ticketed place, Naburoju Mumro, you are going to implement. Alpha is a young man. I couldn't go in a man, no one passed. But let me tell you, KMTC, I have to Sengera. I can't go to Sengera, I can rest to my decided. If I lay a Kilami, near Ogali. Officers just CDF, Ogali Wagajet. So, what has Alpha done? Alpha has done nothing. What Alpha is doing, no on it takes the CDF using the CDF committee. You go and that's so much chairman of CDF was a manager. O guys in my manual, you got quite a big quality margin, then check it and come on about if you only 10,000. He's selling CDF checks, is misappropriating funds. He will have 3,000, even up to university level. He constituency 10,000. So we have no development. In fact, Machum and Tobati Machum, Machoga. Yeah. On the Bona, I got Machoga, but I took a Paradiso, Nero Chicochi, Machoga. Like in Bona, I got city stands. Mochumbe is doing nothing. In Tonke Alpha initiated no name, Kemo Machoga. It is on record, he can come here. He has done nothing. No one there Machoga. Tu asidete koirani Alpha Miruka. Akirende he got favor akairana. Pono iga tiga agendeka. Chibasali chako na kwaba. We have evidence. Anapea watu basari the way they knew. Umuntu ndoko nyoro montali kire basari elu 200. Umuntu ndelu 100. Akokotenga ndiyo mwana wate fi balance kulikira chekio mwe. Abantu ba CDF ba bimbire bigoti. They handling people badly, that is a public office. And we are telling Alpha, Alpha Miruka, you fail ever Machoga. You've done nothing. Parliament. He has known. O Mweshmi Soro, Agocha Machoga, Chachi. Ocha Gosomera Alpha Miruka, my Alpha. Taligo kamona nang bono nje alifatiga mambo atenda ngenda alimo kwa nese president. Can you imagine your colleague member of parliament agoja ko collect in your constituency about how he should connect to the president, and you are in the same ruling party, you are elected like him. We feel embarrassed. Eto taka domo bunge over the international platform ali bunge ave ke motion akwa ne president in his personal capacity amora to Machoga alonge 1 2 3 ntota iko tuare puppet iko chiko kwani na bantu baande bamuikere. We are very embarrassed. Lakini hapa mbele we are making changes, and I'm appealing to the young generation, the youth. Basa ayo bale passive ngambana waka chikura, lakini round hii we will ensure every youth has been registered as a voter. Every youth gets out to vote. That business yoko kayanda kogora basayegete ngaba bagolere gosenki ngosege tabago sibakiapo aba gosayaba golirwa maru during the voting day so that they are distracted from voting. Around it to kana ibio biashara itakoma. This time round youth will vote. In fact, aba angina naba kaka eba ko chakoro mulindo bwa basaye nga yoko kaenda ko chipa tubwati na basaye ba Machoga sahi sisi wote kwa kauli moja esa uli Paradiso atwale track recording ya bochi tendere negocia Paradiso roje we printed Paradiso tamanye tino negocia na gire printed kiti shati chayo tubwate. We have decided kwa kauli moja Paradiso abo mujumbo Machoga chache a change status quo of development abe is a youth connection. Paradiso bono ta kora kwa na brief Paradiso in all the youth councils in across the Kisii County ward is the only MCA who empowered the youth council of his ward. Akaba aba saiba bojitendere chibese youth council pakachake biasara akachake kawosh at least aba saiba kegendere. You know, he has advised youths to start business. He's ready to support them. At least kiromo sae atwale asako na singi komi singi miachia. That is the kind of a leader we want. So I'm appealing to the fellow youth. Nyinyi onye muta ete mutuga okay otwaru mujumbo ko kenda akoligeli rube TSC akoligeli rube kiale akoligeli rube KDF akoiro bisende yonsi oyigolerwa wegasi. It is Paradiso. Paradiso connect abasai ba Bojitende. Omusai no yugoro kunga Hilda. Hilda is a youth from Bojitende whom Paradiso gave a chance to work in a certain hardware in Ogembo. Omusai get ado ko kweriki Paradiso connected this supermarket to him. In fact, we feeling okay. Onye kago konya basaya at the East level MCA. Na kiro jara konya bantu banga abasaya banga na if he becomes the member of parliament na kitoko mo pusheli. And we are appealing to people. Paradiso talimoyi bo Machoga church. Paradiso ramanyire. Tigato mo libaga a transform bo Machoga church. So for development yalfa eroteyo onye bono Paradiso go chago je Machoga church. Ando chinga Wilson Kinagwa osora tanga edumzas ya Nyamachi Wilson Kinagwa osoro kurwa bubasi Nyamachi Nyabiche watching live mambi yabone gatia baribanda tukubwatia ase mambi yabono asumwanchumurere nduzitwa kuriri bagali abene ligo sanga naintwe ase mamba ya rero wetera ase enchira elia yomtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News omtandao ito www.ndizitv.net na otobwatia chinse mirongebere na inye amatuko atano nabere ye wiki ase namba yeteme SMS ere 0792192834 sangana intwe kerengere kiao ase enchira ya bene imambi ya bono Fred Onduko kurwa bitare bokeire bonchali bomolenda suneka noale ende tuwatia ase imambi ya bono
igatia barenda tubwatia ase enchera ya bene ase emambi ya bono inwe bune kiombeke gwatebaga kya youth council mero berikiye mwabere mukubeka anene mono ase ogosira abasana boigo kumanya abasa igoro yobwene bwabo nabo igoro libaga lyabo lyabene ase amatuko alibosio ase movement ye ligeti koleta amonchirilio ase nseiti wa Kenya.
Thank you so much. The Kisii County Youth Council is committed to change livelihood of the youth. Number one, we are advising the youth to be self-dependent. Don't they depend on? Na kito waje basaenga. Umosae when you work in school, work kebarua kia butokero singwa na kokora. Let's start some form of business activity. Buna bono lina jada nango tatinga inche boso tsengera na bomachoge. We started a series of merry-go-rounds across the world. At least every weekend, buna bono igoro. Umuntu na tu 7,500 in machoge charge. Ekiombe kitubugate. Umuntu ya ndago chinkoko. Chinkoko in the next 3 months, ichirichi nyingi. At least you do rege tao kora. Umuntu na aruara lero. Na bwate chinkoko ibira isatako ni agende chemist kusinya kitali arwaleli toko te abasaiga. This life you have to come out. We are mentoring youths to be leaders. Abasai you have to go for leadership. If you remember Uhuru Kenyatta na wadatinga ora yitoligo chakoreta nyumba. You go for it. So to attempt to identify some youths. On talk on your you want to vie for some political seats. We encourage you, we tell you, go forward, seek the mandate from people, they will elect you. So we've done changes and we've mentored people. Those the youths who want to enter into marriage, we supported them. We in fact Chinyangi to achire Chinyangi ingi sana machoke chajana across the county. We support. Buno muntu otagetonye ne nyangi, we go for you, we support you. Tuacha twa kumache le nyangi. Onye nobo kongoto, ogotwara sori, onye nama okorwara, we support. Onye nama kweli abaire, we will be there for you. So despite the political ups and downs, you talk on your setbacks from the elected leaders. Abasai tuacha konyoranga, today dependent. If we cannot depend on ourselves, we'll be used. So in Tubune Kiombekia, the Youth Council, I can be proud to say that for the meetings we've been having, we review the projects we want to do. What did you do? What do you want to do? If it is possible, we support a certain project for some youth, we support him. We've supported the people and some youths with fee balances. Montago to a fee no 10,000. Toy Kanasas getting to Manana Kia to Balinga 100 people. 100 people talk 100 shillings each, that is 10,000 to a quarter Montefi. So we want youths and we're making youths to be self-dependent, self-reliant. And that was what you mean. And the another thing I'm telling youths today. It is unfortunate in societies whereby I go depend. You know that should not be the case. You go to get plan one on the school, you guys are going to Conora, moving out to Comenia. So it is unfortunate to are talking in families whereby parents depend on us. So before we indulge ourselves into marriage, you know the way you handle your family, you provide for your family, because a lot of marriages now are breaking because men hurriedly engaged into marriage ataranyora means ago survive. They want you to provide for them. So ntutageti tujigo to our message in the future. Before we engage ourselves into marriage, a business cow, aka income cow. Umukungu wale omuire nyakitali umwana wale omuire nyakitali talinga ngobwata mukungu wato mwana nande none to bwata no ntende bobura goro mwana o mwana We are not discouraging anybody from marriage. But before we engage ourselves into marriage, we want youths who have engaged in business activity, in something which will generate income for you, so that you will be able to sustain marriage in future. So far, so good. The Youth Council has been there for youths. In fact, we do career clinics. Campus. We hire the technocrats, guide these youths, which kind of courses to go, the kind of the application, everything, so that at the end of the day, know how to handle themselves in the career field, in the project management field, and in the business field. Yeah.
Mbiamono singing choyo ikirana ime studio asema mbiabono mbiamono asukirana studio mbiabono naboigo nimaitenga kwa bire gusanga nomugusi amange nabo toyeto kumulekera amange utakira serikali enene wikira serikali ye county Mwanjumurandizi TV nigo topeto kusanga nere Mr. Bennett obere usanga nito amange anemono alia alengete siasa ni gale omurikyo monene bwekyombekeli ya Kisii Youth Council obera ukwanera amange boigo alia bakora skuli nentari kobayeba abutu abetu kubwatera na kurwa simambi yarenge entambe kurwa Frida Kerubo oyo bagako ngali bagali abene gusanga nomugeni ito naboigo Abigail Nyanchama oyo bagako enekinga chibicha boigo namalio gyabera okira senchira iyo boikira nukonda bwo na otojuikira omweli asingenjo kere nomuchakano nkere nomo elio nabagane elio bolile ubuyemi Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bumugusi.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umugusi.